Small workshops don't have to feel cramped or chaotic. Even the tiniest space can become highly efficient and enjoyable with the right storage hacks. In this video, you'll discover 101 workshop storage ideas designed to save space, organize your tools, and improve workflow. These hacks work for small garages, sheds, apartments, and even compact man caves. Whether you're a beginner DIYer or an experienced woodworker, these ideas will help you make the most of every inch in your workshop. The foundation of every great small workshop is layout and work zones. Cutting, assembly, finishing, and storage areas should each have a defined place. Grouping tasks and tools logically reduces clutter and makes work flow smoothly. A properly sized workbench is critical, and compact benches with built-in storage outperform oversized tables in tight spaces. Workbench height matters too. The right height reduces fatigue and improves accuracy. Adding a dedicated prep area and a finishing area, even if small, helps you move efficiently between tasks without constantly shifting tools or materials. Wall-mounted storage is one of the most effective ways to maximize space. Pegboards, slat walls, and French cleat systems allow you to move shelves, tool holders, and cabinets as your needs change. Magnetic strips keep hand tools visible and accessible, while hooks and baskets create extra storage without taking up floor space. Vertical storage makes even small shops feel larger and more organized. For example, hanging your clamps, wrenches, or drills on a wall lets you see everything at a glance, and you no longer need to dig through drawers or boxes to find what you need. Mobility is key in small workshops. Rolling carts let you bring tools to where you need them and tuck them away when finished. Rolling cabinets, drawer units, and modular storage towers add flexibility, while flip-top carts and fold-down tables provide temporary workspace that disappears when not in use. Casters with locks add safety while keeping storage mobile. Even mobile storage for finishing supplies, clamps, or cutting tools saves you countless steps during a project. You can essentially bring your workspace to the task, instead of moving the project around your shop. Small parts often cause clutter in small shops. Stackable bins, modular organizers, and labeled drawers make it easy to find screws, nails, and other hardware quickly. Tool shadow boards and drawer dividers prevent small tools from getting lost. Frequently used tools should be stored near the workbench, while less used items can be placed higher or lower. Centralized charging stations for cordless tools keep batteries and cords tidy. Using clear containers and color-coded bins also speeds up workflow because you instantly know where everything belongs. Slim cabinets, corner shelves, and overhead racks turn awkward or unused spaces into functional storage. Open shelves above benches keep frequently used supplies within reach. Stackable parts containers, wire baskets, and modular cubby systems are excellent for adapting as your workshop evolves. Corner workbenches and L-shaped layouts maximize floor space while improving workflow. Even small rolling shelves under a bench or in a corner can store a surprising amount of materials while remaining easy to access. Foldable step stools, collapsible sawhorses, and fold-down tables save space while remaining functional. PVC pipes can store rods or clamps vertically. Magnetic tool holders, hooks for safety gear, and hanging bins under shelves add versatile storage. Clear containers and consistent labeling reduce time spent searching and make cleanup easy. Overhead grid systems or ceiling-mounted racks can store lightweight tools and long materials out of the way. For example, storing lumber overhead keeps the floor open and prevents accidents, while still keeping materials accessible when needed. Keeping the floor clear, grouping tools by task, and maintaining a clean workbench reduce mistakes and improve workflow. Bright, even lighting and task lighting over work areas help accuracy and make small workshops feel more spacious. Dust control, rubber mats, and sound reduction strategies improve comfort and safety. Simple habits, like cleaning at the end of each session and returning tools to their place, maintain organization over time. Even adding a small vacuum system or dust collector to key areas prevents dust accumulation and keeps your tools performing longer. A workshop becomes a true man cave when it's both functional and visually satisfying. Use consistent finishes, a cohesive color palette, and thoughtful layout to make the space feel intentional. Personal touches like a favorite tool display, creative storage labels, or a decorative workbench make the shop enjoyable. You can even dedicate a small shelf for your favorite projects or finished pieces to inspire future work. A well-organized workshop encourages better habits, smarter decisions, and more creativity. Lighting and visibility are just as important as storage. Under-shelf lights, LED strips above benches, or even portable task lights reduce eye strain and help you see fine details. Bright, uniform lighting prevents mistakes, reduces accidents, and makes small spaces feel more open. Mirrors or reflective surfaces can also make a shop appear larger, while keeping storage organized and functional. Even small upgrades can deliver big improvements. One shelf, hook, or drawer can change how your shop feels. With these 101 workshop storage hacks, you can transform any small space into an organized, efficient, and enjoyable workshop. Start implementing these ideas today and watch your productivity and creativity grow. Comment below which hack you'll try first. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY workshop tips.